So I noticed a lot of people complaining about how their Hokey Pokey Elmo doesn't dance or doesn't spin or anything like that. I can tell you the reason why. It's pretty simple. A lot of the times when they're sitting for so long, their joints stiffen up. As you can see, it makes a lot of noise. So all you have to do is just sit there and just, funny as it may be, massage them. Any moving part that it has, you just massage it. You spin it around and you just work it. Just work it. He may move like one part of his body, he may not. But if we just massage the whole thing and just work it, eventually he'll be all right. Most of the time it's just the joints. And as you see, I'm going in some weird angles, almost like regular physical therapy. Just spin them around a little bit, work those joints. Do it for a few minutes, and then you come over here, you click them on, stand them up, start them up. And there you have it. I'm not sure if he's actually supposed to be that loud with the vibrating, but at least it's working. I bought this from a thrift store. It cost me $3. I just slapped some batteries in it. He moved and danced, kinda. Like this part here would move, and then he would sing. But he didn't really do much of anything else. But massaging the joints and stuff, working them through, it actually worked out. And now he's good to go.